We have given flag of Puerto Rico. We have to find measure of angle 1, and we have given that measure of angle 3 is 54 degrees. So let's write this. We have given measure of angle 3 is 54 degrees. And we have to find measure of angle 1. Let's see to our diagram. We have here measure of angle 3 is given, and we need to find measure of angle 1. We see that these stripes are parallel. So we can write that, for example, this is line L and K. They are parallel. And this, if you extend these lines are cut by transversal. Can write T. What else we have here on this picture? We know that this angle is right angle. It has 90 degrees. So we can write that measure of angle 3 and plus measure of angle 2 is 90 degrees. We have given measure of angle 3, so we have 54 degrees plus measure of angle 2 is 90 degrees. So we can calculate that measure of angle 2 is 90 degrees minus 54 degrees. So measure of angle 2 is equal 36 degrees. We found measure of angle 2 because angle 2 and angle 1 are corresponding angles for two parallel lines L and K, which are cut by transversal. So measure of angle 1 is equal to measure of angle 2. So this is equal 36 degrees. So we found measure of angle 1. This is my solution.